friends, welcome to my Feelings Hatke world. Today I am going to show you a very special scrapbook which I made for 50th birthday of a gentleman. My client wanted to express his love by capturing all his uncle's beautiful memories and achievements through this special scrapbook. The look and feel of the scrapbook is very masculine with lot of embellishments of gears, clocks and other vintage elements. I kept the base brown with vintage pattern papers to give the classy look. The size of this album is 9.5 by 9 inches and the spine is 5 inches wide with 8 pages. There is so much room for messages and pictures in this album as there are big photo mats and so many pop-up elements. On top there is a happy birthday tag with golden accent. This is the first page with an envelope and a card, and on this card there are so many vintage elements. Here there is a wine bottle and glass with clock and it's written cherish. The card is tucked behind this envelope. And here it is written love. So they can put any messages or pictures in this card. And there are 2 note cards with postcards where they can write whatever they want. And there are some elements which they can tuck behind these elements. It is written you are the best. So there is a room for 3 pictures, and when you pull this it pops up. So I am putting back all these elements. This is a big photo mat where they can put 4 or 5 pictures and behind they can write. Now this is a page for friends where it is written friends are our chosen family. This is a fun pop-up. When you open, when you open it pops up. There is a room for 6 pictures. So here they can put their school photos. Now there is also a room for picture, and here they can put 2 photos. There are 2 pop-up elements. So here they can place their teenage photos. Again there is a photo mat, and on this page there is a bike with happiness written. Now there is a photo mat. When you open the door it pops up. There are 2 note cards also. Now this page is dedicated to his friends, and this is a fun pop-up. When you lift you can see 4 photo mats, but when you open there are again 4 photo mats inside. So these are the hidden photo mats. When you lift you can't see those, but when you open you can see those photo mats. So there is a room for 8 pictures and 2 big pictures, and behind also there is a room for 4 pictures. This is a fun pop-up with a big photo mat. Now on this page there is a swing photo mat. As you can see, this is a swing photo mat, and there are 2 photo mats and 1 big photo mat. Now on this page when you open the card, these two cards are pop up, and here are the tags with king and vintage car. This page is specially designed to keep their marriage photographs, and there are 2 box pop-up elements with balloons. As you can see, there are 2 cards one with couple cutout and one with love cutout. And in these two boxes, the photos can be placed. It's a fun pop-up. When you just need to slide in the photos, or if you want, he can paste the photos as well. Now there is another pop-up with two photo mats, and behind also there is a room for two more photographs. It's a magnetic closure, and this is a fun slider where a family picture can be placed, and it is written dad, brother, son. So it's a fun slider, and in this way the photo can be slided. Now this page is designed to put his kids' photographs, and it is written congratulations. Now this is a belly band with two photo mats, and it is written best in the world. There are two big photo mats where he can put the pictures, and behind, if he want, he can write the messages also. This page are designed to record his achievements, and on top also there are two note cards where he can write whatever he wants. So there are two photo mats, and behind he can write, and again on top there are two note cards where he can write the messages. Now another page is a very fun page where it is written we start from you. There is a fun element. As you can see, when I'm opening a first card, the second card is automatically gets open. Now moving to the next page, it's a fun waterfall card. When I'm opening the strip, the photo mats are opening. So there are 5 photo mats where he can put the pictures, and on top there is a world map with a vintage car. Now this is a very fun pop-up element. See, when I'm opening it, these two photo mats are opening, and when I'm closing, they're getting inside, they are going inside, and there are room for 3 big pictures. Now this is a magical cube. You will understand why I'm calling this magic cube. See, there are so many photo mats. As you can see, there are square photo mats, and now I'm making the cube. See, on both sides the photos can be placed, and as you can see, I'm making a cube. And now the fun begins. See, can you see how I'm rotating the cube? Yes, this is a 3D cube, so I'm calling it magical cube. And when I'm closing, it is getting flat. Isn't it fun? So there is so much room for pictures, and it can be closed, and there is a magnetic closure to hold it, and there is a pocket where there are some note cards, and there is a photo mat also where he can write the messages. So this is the last page. I hope you like this album. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see such kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel and leave your reviews in comment section. Bye bye. See you.